Hello everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, here to present my submission for the challenge by Siemens Healthineer during the hackathon Hack Off. The challenge stated to propose and implement an intelligent real-time heartbeat classification algorithm and supplement results with explainable AI. What I did was I devised an innovative algorithm for the classification of ECG into 17 classes. Firstly, the algorithm enhances the provided dataset by using a rollover technique such that each class is populated with the new cases and a balanced dataset is formed. Secondly, a dual path deep architecture is devised with analyzing various provided parameters. Now I'll explain the rollover technique. The rollover technique is used such that the provided dataset is equally rolled into multiple samples alternatively. In the fashion of for the even, it is rolled clockwise, and for the odd, it is rolled anti-clockwise. The amount of roll for each given cases is not the same. It is increased by the step of 2 in each step. Hence, the transform data set is balanced without losing its significance. These are the new transform datasets, and as you can see earlier, there was only 283 fragments for the NSR class. And by my analysis and training it on various models, I concluded that the model was specifically learning the NSR model, NSR class, in spite of learning all the classes. So I transformed the data so that it learned other classes as well, and use this innovative rollover technique so that the data doesn't lose its significance. As I mentioned, the data has been transformed by using rollover technique. So to counter it, model has been made specifically such that for one path it takes the given data, the transformed data, and for the other it takes the reverse of the transformed data. So it counters the clockwise and the anti-clockwise rollover technique and gives perfect and accurate predictions. The two parts of the model consist of conv block, linear block, and detention model. The paths are named as init conv block. I'll explain each of the block one by one. This is the conv block. It contains of the convolution layer, which is batch normalized and activated by the ReLU function. I have ensured that the model doesn't specifically learn the given transformed dataset, so I use dropout layer to avoid too much biasing. Next, I used a linear layer for which is activated by ReLU activation function and the dropout. This is the init conv block resulting. So in the it consists of conv block, three linear block, flatten layer. After that, it is a specifically made attention model. The attention model can be explained like this. The attention model contains of 17 paths for each classes which are stacked, and then softmax activation is applied for that particular dimension, resulting in this init conv block, which is finally activated by the ReLU model, ReLU activation function. And this is the complete model which I made. It consists of two init conv block, as I explained. One takes the data as it is, and one takes the reverse of the given data, which are concluded by a bilinear layer. Then a LSTM model is applied so that it doesn't loses the significance of the past data. It recognizes the history of the ECG signal. It is which is activated by 10H. Then three linear ReLU blocks are used. Then the output is given. Now I will show you the results of the predictions. As you can see over here, the test result, the test loss, the cross entropy loss for the model is very less. It's just zero point 0.1. Now, as you can see, the test accuracy of each of the classes particularly. For many of the classes, it's 100%. The model can recognize the classes 100%. And I quote that the model hasn't been trained on these examples. These examples are completely new to the model. So the model can recognize the 17 classes very perfectly, and the overall accuracy of the model is 98%. And I have researched a lot in many research papers given over the net, and I haven't seen such accuracy in any of the classification models. That's all from my side. Thank you.